T Plus Smart Cat Litter Box. Classic barrel and waste bin integrated structure. The waste bin and barrel rotate together, never clamping cat even without the sensor. Infrared detection radar and 4 sets of gravity sensors. Multiple protections for greater peace of mind. 65 liters large barrel. Suitable for both big and fat cats. Compact in size. More than enough on a 60 x 60 cm floor tile. Upgrade T-shaped mesh. Easy disassembly and easier cleaning. Close the waste bin with automatic flip door, turning and closing as needed, effectively blocking the leakage of odors. App newly upgraded. Automatic networking. Multiple customized cleaning modes, equipped with remote OTA upgrade technology. More intelligent. T Plus Smart Cat Litter Box. Saves you. More worry-free.